Have you ever thought about starting an online business but not sure where to start with your planning? Well, today I'm going to give you 6 key foundations that will help you to plan a successful online business. I'll be right back. Hi, I'm Nathan Abell from New Horizons Lifestyle, and today I'm going to give you 6 key foundations that will help you to plan and build a successful online business. So let's get started. So the first thing is to figure out what you're passionate about. What drives you and what gives you a sense of joy and fulfillment in the things that you love doing. You know, it is easy to start an online business doing pretty much anything, but if you're not passionate about what you're selling, so the products and services you're selling, then when things get tough and when you come across challenges in the early stages of your business, it is so much easier to give up when you're not passionate about what you're doing. Having a passion for what you do, it provides longevity in the business that you're doing because you love what you're doing. You love waking up every day passionate about what you're about to do for the day. The second one is to write down your goals for your business, where you want to be in 1, 3, 5 years time as a result of the online business that you're setting up. You know, what things do you want out of that business? What do you want to achieve? Is it to supplement your income? Like a bit of a side income apart from your job that you're currently doing? Or is it something that you want to eventually have the financial freedom to replace the job that you're currently in? Maybe it's just to give you a bit more flexibility and time to do the things that you love doing on a day-to-day basis, you know, without having to be structured by a particular 9 to 5 job or particular hours that a boss might set for you. So whatever it is that you're trying to achieve, it is really important to have these goals written down and understanding your why, because when you understand your why, it gives you it's like an anchor. So it's like an anchor which will help you get through any challenges that you face in the early stages of your business. When you're coming across those challenges and problems, if you can come back to what your why is, what is it that you're trying to achieve from your business, you're more likely to push through and find a way through those challenges in order to succeed. So the third one is to create an initial action plan of how you intend to get to your goals. This is an important step because it's one thing to have goals in place, but if you don't have an action plan of how you're going to get to those goals, it's hard to have that clear pathway of knowing how to move forward. So it's also easy to get lost and get off track and get distracted by things that are not important to what you need to be doing in your current phase of your business, and to know what is the clear direction moving forward. You can create an action plan. It doesn't have to be a fantastic in-depth action plan to start with. You can just come up with something simple and basic to start with, and then as your business starts to evolve and you start to get a clearer picture of the direction you're going with that business, you can then refine and reevaluate that action plan and even your goals, and then redefine it as you go along through your business. So number 4 is find a coach and mentor that will help you create a clear blueprint and a business model suitable for your goals. Someone or a company that can also provide a step-by-step training which will give you a clear pathway to move forward. I really believe that it's important to have a mentor and coach in whatever you're trying to pursue, whether it's in your business or personal life. As an elite endurance athlete previously, I always had coaches and mentors. I knew that my success would be excelled or expedited with a coach who partnered with me and helped me to develop my skills and mindset in my sporting career. You know, having someone with a greater knowledge and experience than just myself decreased the chances of making mistakes, but it also allowed me to achieve my goals a lot quicker and achieve my success a lot quicker than what I would have been able to by myself. And it's no different with your business. You ask any successful business person and they will tell you that they have coaches and mentors, someone that is that has more knowledge than them, that has more experience, who has gone through the same processes and the same journey, and are able to input and impart wisdom and knowledge to help them excel and get their results quicker. So number 5 is be committed to the journey. No matter what obstacles come your way, even if it takes you longer than you expected, you need to make a decision from the start that you're going to be committed to this journey no matter what. Keep looking at the bigger picture and what you're trying to achieve with the outcome you're looking for. Think of the consequences if you don't go through with it, if you quit. You know, you have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Okay, so number 6, the final key foundation is to work on your mindset and change your way of thinking. There is a saying, you can't expect to get a different result by doing the same thing over and over again. In order to get a different result, you have to change something that you're currently doing. Your mindset or your way of thinking is one of the most important factors when it comes to success in your business or any area of your life. You have to stop the negative talk and thoughts that are limiting your success. So instead of saying, I can't do this or it's too hard, start saying, I can do this and I will find a way no matter what. Your words and thoughts have power to create your outcome. So change your attitude and beliefs around what you can do. That will start to attract people and things that will help bring about success, not only in your business, but in your everyday life. So I hope that's helped you, and I hope it motivates you to start your journey in building a business you're passionate about. If you'd like to learn more about how you can build an online business around your passions, then click on the link above this video or below, and I will send you a free video workshop that will show you how. Please like, share this video, or feel free to leave a comment below because we'd love to hear from you.